Good morning guys, today I will show you how to replace your broken AC grill of Hyundai Venue. I have purchased the spare part from budmo.com and this is the particular spare. Now I will remove it. First let us remove the outer trim. Make sure where the locks are, look at the new one and the locks are over there, and just follow the lock orientation with the help of a very thin screwdriver. You have to be careful so that there are no marks. Now I have opened the outer trim. This trim is little bit stuck up. Let's try to remove it. Yes, now I have been able to remove it successfully. Once you remove it, you have to bring out the inner grill. Bring the inner grill to the outer area. Now with the help of a pry tool, I would also bring it out from the dashboard. With the help of pry tool, I have brought it outside. Now simply press the new one matching the orientation and press fit it, and you are done. So thank you very much and goodbye.